Hi, I'm Jacqueline from Maree Pigdon Sewing Centre, and in today's video I'm going to answer some of the questions we had come through about our new online sewing club. So if you missed our first video, we've launched our virtual sewing room here at Maree Pigdon Sewing Centre in response to the coronavirus to help you all stay connected with us, other like-minded sewers around the world, and to continue learning and developing your sewing skills. So when do we start was one of the questions. Well, you can join us right now if you like. We are up and running online. Just go to our website and you can subscribe. Our first call will be Wednesday the 8th of April at 7 p.m. That's Australian Eastern Standard Time. And if you miss the call because of time zones or you're busy, don't worry, because we will have each call recorded. So you can go back to watch it any time. And even if you're on the call, you can watch it again to pick up the sewing tutorial segment and hearing about what everybody else is doing and making in our sewing club. So how long do the calls last? We have scheduled them for 1 hour. They will be once a month on Zoom. However, in our first month right now, we are including weekly sewing calls to help you stay connected and to launch our new online sewing club. Depending on when we reopen our sewing school, we will see how we go with the additional video conferencing calls throughout the month. And you can stay on and chat longer than the 1 hour if you like, so you can make new friends and connect with others who might be making similar things. And so you can chat and connect as much as you like via Facebook and your own Zoom calls as well. It is a monthly membership, so you get to subscribe and then continue on if you would like. We would love for you to join us now. It's a great opportunity to utilise the virtual sewing room to help you stay connected and inspired with your sewing. So if you have any other questions, let me know. A few that come to my mind is that Zoom is a video conferencing platform. It's free to create an account. When you go in there, you will be able to see, you can pop your photo, pop your name and details on there. So when you appear on the call, we can see who you are. And our Facebook group, if you have a Facebook account, we have a private group that you can go in and join us, so you can share in there as well. So there's some of the main questions. Hope they answer them. I've answered them for you. I look forward to seeing you in our virtual sewing room on Wednesday the 8th of April. So join now, and until then, happy sewing.